Before we draw, we need to establish givens like the size of the room, the distance between the viewer and the height of the viewer for us to draw properly. Always remember guys, floor plan drawing should be scaled, the same scale as the floor plan as well as the output perspective. Now, let's just set up the floor plan at the top. Then, let's pretend there is no output perspective at the bottom. Okay, at the floor plan, just establish the PP or picture plane. At the same time, the ST or the station point or the location of the viewer. The intersection, that was the true measurement of the wall. Now, from the intersection, draw a line downward in order to draw the perspective view of the room. And get the other side of the wall. Then, next is the window measurement. Remember that the true measurement of an object was the intersection of the line and a picture plane. Take a look from the vanishing point or station point, draw a line. Simply extend the line until it intersects the PP or picture plane. You know, the process is repeated from the floor plan down to perspective projection. Now, in perspective view of the room, establish a GL or ground line and horizon line, and then locate the vanishing point. Since the vanishing point is located at the center, it is easy to find the location of the viewer and the shape of the wall. The reference vertical line of scaling located at the vignette horizon line, aligned with the viewer, which is the limit of the cone of vision. Where the lines intersect with the picture plane, this is the true size of the objects. From the picture plane, you will draw a line downward going to perspective. So that's it guys, as simple as that. From the vanishing point, you will make a line connected to the corner and shape of the object. All corner and shape of the object considered as piercing point. From the floor plan, there is a carpet. Now, how would you translate it into the perspective view of the room? Okay, go to floor plan, then from the station point, draw a line touching the edge of the carpet. Just extend the line. Now, from the intersection through PP, which is the true measurement of carpet, draw a line downward in order to reflect it in a perspective view. Can you see the black color as carpet from the floor plan? It was transferred and reflected the true shape of the carpet in the perspective view because of using the direct perspective method. Very easily. Now, here we are setups taking plans into consideration. Just like before, we made a ground line and horizon line. Please check our requirements. You will notice that it is blue color and the floor plan is glued to the horizon line perpendicularly. Then you go to the station point, draw a line, and hit the corners of the room to get the correct measurement of the room size. With the help of the station point and the shape of the floor plan set up and aligned on the horizon line, it helps us to find out the true width of the walls. Make sure the height of the room from the ground floor, then go to the vanishing point to get the shape of the room, such as wall, ceiling, and flooring. Finally, almost finished. Now, paint the necessary lines.